Hey, are you struggling lately with Google Meet and Grid View trying to see all your students at the same time? And the Grid View extension just seems to be really weird? Let me show you something that Google has done to fix Grid View problems in Google Meet on their own. Here in our settings section of Google Meet, I have a Google Meet going on right now. I can click here, and now up here is this option to change layout. I can change the layout. I would take it off of auto and put it on tiled if you want to be able to see everybody all the time. And then you have options for if you want 6 students, 9 students, 16 students, 30 students, 42, 49. I just put mine up at 49 because we have roughly around 43, 45, 42 teachers, something like that when we have staff meetings. So I put mine at 49 and left it like that. Left it on tiled, and it stays there every time I come back for a Google Meet. Now, if you're anything like me and you want to be able to see your own screen while you're teaching so you know what the students are seeing, you can come up here in the top. You can pin yourself. That doesn't do much for the students. You can also click your own show in tile, and it will show you over here. When there's a bunch of students on here, we'll always put you in the top left corner, on your top left. So I know I've struggled in the past with a regular Grid View extension, seeing myself in a screen, and then a student leaves or gets kicked out or something happens on their end and I can't find myself anymore because I move all around. So I like this setting because then when I have my tile shown, it's always up in this top corner up here. So I always know where to look to see what the students see. All right? I hope that helps. Go have fun.